Yeah. Elle veut danser, elle veut bouger, yeah. Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twilight.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is the 18th day of my 100 days of YouTube videos, and I'm here to show you all 3 Christmas outfit ideas, and I hope you like them. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also comment. Let me know what you think. Have a holly jolly Christmas. XOXO gossip girl. Okay, so this is the first outfit. This is how it is. It is actually very plain and very simple at the front, but let me show you something. This is the back. The back is giving what it's supposed to give, and I like this outfit. I think it just screams holiday festive look, and so I like this one. So this is number 1. Now this outfit is giving like elegant, classy style, and I love it so much. I paired it with my white sandal heels. It looks so nice, so good. Like, this is so classy and so gorgeous for the festive season, so called gorgeous for Christmas. Yeah, so I love this so much. It's very nice. It's just giving like the sweet, nice auntie that came to the Christmas party. Yeah, it's giving that vibe. I love it. I also love the details, like at the front. It's so nice. It just gives the dress this simple but yet really classy look. Yeah, so this is my second outfit. Yay! Hello, nice to meet you. Yeah, so this is outfit number 4. Sorry, this is outfit number 3. So this is just like, you know, when you want to look edgy and then represent Christmas at the same time. Yes, this is what this outfit is giving. And this is a leotard top. I paired it with an oversized trouser and my ankle boots. Yeah, so this is definitely giving, I came for Christmas but I came to crash the party, you feel me? Yeah, so I love this vibe. Yeah, I love this. This is like not your regular Christmas outfit. It makes you stand out, and who doesn't want to stand out? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I hope you were able to get some inspiration from this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also leave a comment letting me know which outfit was your favorite. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and have a holly jolly Christmas. XOXO gossip girl. Bye. Merry Christmas, y'all. Bye.
Let them know who got the crown, girl, who does it like you do. Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it.